Hello everyone, I am Kazi Rafiq from WPS, and today on this video I would like to show you how you can install and activate the LegalAidChildTheme in your local or any live server. So this is the live demo of the LegalAidChildTheme. You can see. So when you purchase the LegalAidDiviTutorial from Divi Elegant Theme Marketplace or directly from my website, you will get that there is two files. One will be LegalAidTheme file and another supplementary files. So in this video I will show you the easiest way how to install LegalAidChildTheme with all the demo data. So at first I already have installed the WordPress and already installed the DiviTheme there. So my recommendation is please install the fresh WordPress and updated DiviTheme. Completing these two steps, install the LegalAidTheme. So at first I will go to the add new option, click on upload theme, browse LegalAidTheme, open, then install now. So theme installed successfully, so we need to activate it. Theme is activated, and now we need to import the demo data. So in here you can see LegalAid demo import. We need to click here and click the import demo content. It will take around maximum 2 minutes. We need to just keep patient for that. You can see import process completed. So import this process is completed. So then we need to click the remove demo content and import functions. Because all the demo is right now imported, so we need to remove the old demo content. If you face any kind of problem while importing the data, so my recommendation is please go Divi and Divi support center. If you system status, if you see there is red signal like this, then please solve it according their documentation. Refresh it the site, then you can see our data is just like the live website. You can see all the data is imported and it works perfectly. Go to that category page. All the data is imported perfectly. If there is any problem you feel where you cannot import or you can't install the child theme, please contact me through my Elegant Theme Marketplace profile, or you can directly contact me from my website site contact form. I will reply within 1 to 2 hours maximum from contact us. And from here you can submit your query through the contact form, or you can directly contact me through my WhatsApp, Skype or email. So I hope this video will be useful for you to install the LegalAidDiviTutorial. So that's all today. Thank you. Have a good day.